Welcome! In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable those annoying website notifications in Google Chrome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant pop-ups or alerts while browsing, this quick and simple tutorial is going to help you take back control of your browser and enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free experience. Let's get started. The first step is to open Google Chrome on your device. Once it's open, look at the very top right corner of the browser window. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. Go ahead and tap on those dots. This opens up the main menu where you'll find all of Chrome's settings and customization options. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can manage browser preferences, privacy controls, and security features. Once you're inside the settings, look for the option labeled Site Settings. Tap on it to continue. Now that you're in the Site Settings menu, you'll see different permission controls for websites, like camera access, cookies, and location. The one we're focusing on today is Notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications section, you'll notice a toggle switch at the top. If notifications are currently enabled, this switch will be turned on. All you need to do to stop websites from sending you alerts is to simply turn that toggle off. Once you've done that, Chrome will immediately block notification requests from every website. And that's it. You've successfully disabled website notifications in Google Chrome. From now on, you won't be interrupted by unnecessary prompts asking to send you notifications, and browsing the web should feel a lot more peaceful. Disabling these alerts not only keeps your browser free from distractions, but can also help protect your focus and privacy. Many sites use notifications to send promotional messages, and turning them off ensures you only receive the information you want when you want it. If you ever change your mind, you can always go back into the Notifications section in Settings and turn the toggle back on. It's that simple and completely under your control. Thanks for watching.